पोरण्या गोंयचो वादग्रस्त बंगलो हो गोंयभर चर्चेचो विशय आसा। ह्या संदर्भात फटिंगपणाची केस ताचेर घालची आनी पुलिसांनी ह्या विशयाचेर बेगीन कारवाय करची अशी मागणी ट्राजानो डिमेलो हांणी केल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Very recently, we have seen in the news that a complaint has been lodged at the Old Goa police station by Anna Garcia, who was accompanied by her lawyer at the police station. And the complaint is regarding the controversial bungalow that is in the heritage site. Now what does the complaint say? Complaints have produced documents proving and showing how the forgery and how documents were forged to get certain permissions and to do things that were absolutely illegal. The MC demands that the Old Goa police station should immediately register an FIR and start investigating the matter and see that the real culprits and those who have involved in the forgery are brought to book. Let it not be felt by the people of Goa that this police department is out to save people who are looting, who are involved in forgery, who are involved in cheating. The MC demands an immediate FIR be registered and the matter be investigated with immediate effect. Thank you.